Hello guys, सभी का स्वागत है. This is Yosai. Welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video we are going to see some more turtle functions. So these were the intermediate functions. So this will be helpful while we are dealing with the diagrams, like while already you have seen that the Shinshan, right? So in the Shinshan there is a lot of curves in his head like that. So in those times this will be helpful, or else you can also use these functions to know some turtle areas and also how to deal with turtle. These were the basic. It is not basic functions. Suppose if you want to create some diagram by using, draw some diagram by using turtle, you need to know these functions. By knowing this function it will be easier to draw. So I will tell you how it will be. So let's start for now. So guys, first of all, let me do one thing. I will import the turtle module, then I will assign the turtle class to some variable called t. Then so our first function is that position function. So this function which gives the current position of the turtle. So suppose I forwarded that t forward t position and t dot forward up to 100. Then I want to see the position again. So I think we need to use print here because it prints in the console, not in the window, turtle window. So let's see now. So you can see that it is giving the current position of the turtle. So because we moved the forward, we moved the turtle to the forward 100 pixels. So this is what actually giving the, this is how position function will work. So now let's see different function. Set x function. So this function helps you to set the x value. Suppose here the x value is 100, right? So I want it to be 200. So like this. So then I will print to this. So you can see. So it sets the value from directly. Suppose if you want to change x and value, x and y coordinate here, you can directly use t dot go to like 100 comma 100, so that you can directly grow. So this is how exactly works. Okay, I hope you got it right. So go to function which helps to move from the current to the specified position, but in go to function we will give x and y coordinates. Suppose if you want to move only x coordinate, then we need to give set x. It is also same works for set y. So you can see here. So this is how actually set x and set y will be. So the main reason of using is that suppose if you want to move turtle from one position to another position by only by using, by using only one coordinate like x or y. So we can use, for x we can use set x, for y we can use set y. Okay. Suppose if you want to turn the angle of the turtle into some standard angles like north, east, west, south, you can use set h function. Set h function here. So I will try to set here. So now you can see that it is to the north, right? Suppose if I want to, sorry, it is to the east, right? Suppose if I want to set the angle to the north, so I will give set h, and the north is 90 degrees. So, oh sorry, suppose like this. Okay, 90. So you can see that. So it is changing to the north side. So what exactly it means that north is 90 here, and west is 180, and east is 0. Then northeast, west, south is 270. Okay, suppose if you want to move the turtle from current position to 0 0, like home position, so we can directly use home function here. Then I will try to print the position here, so you can see that. So it is moved to the home position. By using home function, we can directly move to the 0 0 coordinate. There is another function called undo, so which will revert the actions of the turtle. So it will be work in the system, so it is not working in this repeal it. So in next video I will try to show that function. Next we will focus on the speed function, so which is increase the speed of the function here, I mean speed of the turtle. Suppose if we give 0, the turtle will be fastest, like it's very fast. It will be very fast. Okay, I will try to give here, so we'll see the changes. So you can see that it is very fastest, right? Suppose if I give 10, so it will be somewhat slow as compared to previous. Yes, so let's see with the different values. Suppose if I give 6 here, the speed will be medium, it's not as fast as previous. Suppose if I give 3 here, the speed will be very slow. So you can see the speed is very slow, right? Suppose if I give here 1, it is the slowest one. So you can see that it is very slow. It means that very means very slow, right? As we are done with speed, right? So now let's see the next function called towards. So this is a function which gives the angle between the current position and the given position. Suppose if I move turtle to 50, then I will turn to right and I move to 50, then I will turn to right up to 90 degrees, then again I will forward it to 50, then I will see the angle from the present position to the home, it means that 0 0. So let's see, suppose, okay, we need to use print here, so because it prints in only in the command line, I mean console. So you can see 35. Suppose if I use 35, t dot right 135, then forward I give 50, like 50 or something else. So you can see it will create some right angled triangle, right? So it is giving the correct position. Suppose I will give here as some 70. So you can see, right, it is giving the correct position. So by using towards function, we can find the angle from the present position to the given position in the towards parameters. So guys, as we are now seeing the towards function, right, which gives the angle from the current position to the home position, I mean which we give the position to the towards function, right? So here we can use the distance function. So it is same to towards function. Here it will give the distance between the current position to the given position. In towards function, it will give the angle, right? So here we can see that. Suppose by using toward function, I will try to get towards position 0, 0. So then I will, okay, suppose if I see the towards, so 135, right, I will turn the angle to 135, then I will see the distance between the current position to the 0, okay, home position here. So we can give any value here in place of 0 0. So it is giving 70, right? So I will move forward to the 70. So here you can see that it is giving the correct position from here to here. The angle is 135 and here to here the distance is 70. So by using distance function and towards function we can get these values. So let's see next other functions here. Suppose if you want to get some the current position of x, you can directly use print t dot x coordinates, right? Directly you can use current position. It will directly print the current position. It is in 50 because we forwarded the turtle to the 50, right? Suppose if you want y coordinate, you can use directly 50. So minus 50, it is because it is in the direction of down, right? So in the direction of down it will be minus, y will be minus, right? So it is saying that the y coordinate is minus 50 and x coordinate is 50. So because it is in the right side, so it is moving in the right side, right? So the x value in the right side will be positive, so it is giving that 50 is the coordinate. So now let's see another function called heading, so which gives the present angle of the turtle. So you can directly write here heading. So it is in the angle of 270. Suppose if I change the angle to the left, t dot left to something like 30, then I will see the angle. So you can see, right, it is in the angle of 300. So suppose this is the 360 degrees, this is 0, this is 90, this is 270, sorry, this is 180, this is 270, again it will comes to 360, right? Suppose if I add some more extra like this 50, then it will give the present value. Suppose if I erase this, now I'm just rotating the angle to the 50, right? So you can see that it is giving the turtle is in the angle of 50. Suppose if you want to know, when sometimes we don't know the angle, present angle, so if you want to know that whether the turtle is in the which angle, you can use the heading function to know the present angle of the function, sorry, present angle of the uh, turtle. Here you can see that the turtle shape is like some arrow, right? Suppose if you want to change the shape of the turtle, we can directly give shape function here. In shape, the parameter, the argument will be the shape name. Suppose if I give the turtle shape, so it will print the turtle shape, right? Suppose if I give triangle, sorry, spelling is mistake, then so it will give triangle, right? These were the what exactly mean that these were the shapes that are available in turtle. So if you want more, you can comment in the comment section. I will tell you. Presently I know these uh, shapes. So as we are done with shape, then let's see for the delay function. Suppose if I give the delay function like this, suppose 300, and then I will forward to 50. So you can see it is moving slowly, right? As it works like speed, but in speed we will have options up to 0, 10, 6, 3, 1, right? But in delay we can give how much we want, how much we want to slow down the turtle we can do, how much fast we want to make the turtle we can do by using the delay function. So guys, these were the functions for this video. So these functions will be helpful while you are in intermediate stage, because when you want to do some small corrections, and if you want to move the turtle with small uh, corrections like with some delay, you can use these functions. So this will be helpful when you will be in the intermediate stage. So if you want to move to the advanced stage, like if you want to implement the events and screen events in the turtle, we can also implement events, and also we can also having, in turtle we are also having that screen special methods, so they are also available. Suppose if you want me to make a video on those things, I will do as soon as possible. I will try to do as soon as possible. If you want somewhat fast, you can comment in the comment section, then I will try to do as much as possible fast. So guys, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, hope these functions will be helpful for you in the intermediate stage. and try to practice the total module, then only you can draw different diagrams. So it will not come like studying an answer. So you need practice for this total methods and library, I mean module. So these were the intermediate functions as we have seen. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.